Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, here we have it. 603 Gehl, or Gehl, 2009 Excavator, 1777 hours. It's almost like 777, but it's all sevens except the first one. 1777 hours. No, it's 1700 hours. Tracks are good. We ran it around. There's nothing we can find that's wrong with it. Comes with the 3 buckets, 36 inch, 1 foot, and a 24 inch. What else? Hydraulics, auxiliary if you want to do a hammer. It's set up for a thumb. We actually are selling the thumb that he was going to put on it, but it's a weld-on thumb. So we're selling it separate. So if you need a thumb for it, make sure and check it out. And let's see, we're going to fire it up right now. I haven't ran this, so bear with me. They brought it over here and said, go do the video. Oh, okay. So here we go. Just so they can see them. Thank you. Can you see everything? Here's the hours. By the time I get to the freeway, it might be 7777. Everything's really clean inside here. Oh, we got somebody pushing me along here.
The front glass is up here.
Oh, the front glass is right here.
Slides down.
It slides down. We didn't slide it down. Looks like our detail man didn't know it was up here, so it's a little dirty, but pretty clean machine. It's been sitting here. There's no oil other than we just seal coated everything. That looks good, huh? Okay, Jessica, take her back. I'm gonna take it to the freeway. Let's see. Turn